flawless. Ladies, tell them I walk up like this. I walk up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, say I look so good tonight.
Baby, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are reviewing a wig that I got from Yolissa hair. If you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, you already know because I showed you.
Just look at this lace.
I couldn't hold myself. I was way too excited for this wig. Okay, so let's just get into what came with the actual wig parcel. This is the dust bag. As you can see, Yolissa hair, very cutesy. I'm about to show you the hair now, but I just wanted to show you what was inside, which is invincible wig cap. And then we've also got a bonnet. I should have worn this one instead. I love it so much. And then we've got this scrunchie, and then we've obviously got a wig band inside. And we've also got, I don't know what this is, but it looks like I could be Miss Yolissa, period. Now back to the hair, guys. This is the hair. I'm going to put the description and the details of the wig on my description box and also on this screen right here so that you guys can see. 250 density, 26 inches of nothing but perfection. So this is the lace of the wig. Can you see how tiny these knots are? The closest thing to perfection, literally, guys. This is a proper definition of an HD lace wig because it's almost invincible. Literally, just look at how it matches my skin. You can see it's gonna melt without any effort. And this is the wig inside. It came pre-bleached. It also came pre-plucked. Everything was done for you. And obviously cutting this wig is going to be the easiest thing ever. And as you can see, it also has this wig comb inside just to keep the wig intact, and obviously adjustable wig band. The wig cap, I took a size large for the wig cap because I know I have a big head, so you can choose between 3 different sizes, and I love that so much. Getting into the curls, guys. This wig came pre-curled, so I'm gonna stretch out the curls when I finally install the wig. So guys, this is right before I install the wig. As you can see, this lace, closest thing to perfection. You can see it's just gonna melt and give scalp without any effort. So Yolissa hair, I'm quite impressed. So guys, I'm going to, because I love this wig so much and I need this installation to be perfect, I'm going to get it installed by someone else that's going to be helping me with the installation. Okay, we're just gonna customize the lace. As you can see, I can literally just get away with wearing this lace as it is and cutting it, but this time around I wanted to go for a different type of hairline that you guys are going to see once I have finished installing the wig and I'm trying it out. So stay tuned for the final look, period.
It's they all say, yo, y'all say they lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barman, I'm Rambo with the yo. I'm Billy Rick like John Jack, I'm Camo with the yo. These thoughts can't lock me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to go around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round around in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, say I.
And there you have it, the final outcome of our wig installation. Please just look at how bouncy these curls are. They were just so soft, so slick. This is probably the most perfect wig I've ever worn in my life. And as you can see, it was also perfectly installed. The lace is nowhere to be found, literally giving scalp. The volume is actually very insane. Like, Wow, Yolissa, you really did that. We also decided to just switch it up a little bit and try out different hairstyles. As you can see, it's very easy to style actually. And yeah, they just did their best one. Please use the link on my description box to purchase this wig. Bye.